Hey, let's get it. Hey, hey. Let's go, people. I hope you are all very excited. We have another MSBA battle for tonight. We are going up against the coach of the New Bark United team, Lucian Hawkeye on Twitch. And I think it's going to be a much better battle than last time. I don't plan on losing quite that bad like I did last time. So be sure to get in your predictions on who you think will be winning each game, ran by my wonderful mod. And just gotta finish getting that ready. And we are all set for this match. Let's switch the music to something a little more oomph. Let's start right here. And we got the music. Here we go. Alright, let's get over that Pokemon look. Alright. So, the team is just the same down below, but we switched up a couple of items, and we're hoping to get some fake off on Jacob. Or Lucian Hawkeye. I have my theories on who he's bringing, so I will let everyone know if I'm right away. Alright, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 5, 7, 6. And double battle. Search. Yep. Alright, and I will text the coach to let him know I am streaming or searching. Good luck, my friend. Alright, sent the good luck so the good juju sticks with me. Let's turn that down just a little bit. Okay. Alright, if anyone can't hear the music, let me know. If you can hear it, great. If it's too loud, let me know as well. Alright. We're trying some new stuff. Some new tech. Okay. Let's see. Let's see if he brought who I thought he would. Okay. This isn't bad. He brought almost everything. He brought half of what I thought he was going to bring. Okay. Okay. Let's see. All right, we're going to go Rengoku. Going to go Lilith. Going to bring Hinata. And Purunga. Hey, thanks for tuning in, Takeuchi. Big thanks. All right. Here we go. All right, let's see. Pew pew. Let's go. All right, that's what I thought we'd start with. So I believe he has Gale Wings. Hey, Takeuchi, thanks for the sub. Okay. Alright, let's see. If we expert belt Dynamax increase the attack, that will increase Mimikyu's attack into... Alright, Jacob said good luck. He's trying to keep Karma happy. Hey, thank you, Coco. Alright, yeah, let's... Because I don't... We don't need the Dynamax for... Because then let's... Will-O-Wisp Tyranitar. Okay. Because I don't believe he'll probably use... what do you call it? I use it a Tailwind. He's probably going to Tailwind with his... what do you call it? I can't remember that book. Talonflame. He's probably going to do that. So the Dynamax into a, let's see, Calc. Yup. So that's Tyranitar. Dynamax. So there's the Tailwind. Max Knuckle. Come on. Let's go! We got the Oko. It was a crit. Shee! The crit! Woo, that crit was big. I pulled up the calc and everything. Alright, so Will-O-Wisp didn't work, but that is expected, honestly. Okay. I believe it was a 68.8% chance to Oko, so I think the crit mattered. Alright, so now we got Lele. What the hell does Psychic Surge do? What does Psychic Surge do? Psychic Terrain. What does Psychic Terrain do? Okay, so priority does not work. Got it. Alright. So let's do Max Ooze, Lele, and we will play rough. Yeah, yeah, he's really not a problem, so let's taunt the Lele so that it has to do attacks. Nice! Alright, so there's the Psychic. Damn! Oh, that's right, I was fighting. Oh, and it was a crit. That might have mattered. Okay, that's fine. So Lele kills Cinderace. Okay, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got here. Alright, we're going to switch to Purunga. We're going to Ice Beam into Lele. And then we're going to Play Rough into Lele. Okay, good call. Moonblast. That's going to kill. Didn't kill. Freeze, baby. Freeze! Super effective. I get the weakness policy proc. Come on, baby. Freeze. Come on, baby. Freeze. 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 Freeze! Nope. Ah, it's so tragic. Okay, that's okay. It's okay. Storm and the burn. Sheesh. Yeah, he's not gonna live, but the Play Rough should kill. So there's my disguise. Two dual wing beats. There's the Moonblast. Melee kills Latios. Ah, I really think that crit mattered. Oh. Does that kill? No, it didn't kill. Tail. Oh, I forgot he had the tailwind up. That's right. Then we got the Gudra. Floral healing onto Lilith. He's probably got weakness policy, but we're gonna dive into it anyways. Yep, we'll do that. There's floral healing. There's the tailwind. Okay, live. Gooey. Speed drop. Oh, am I gonna... Do I die to the burn? Oh, I lived. Oh, I lived the burn. Okay, okay. Floral heal. Play rough. So I think I win. I think I live. My speed went down. And we still have... Oops, wrong button. Y. One more turn of psychic terrain. Damn. Okay. Yeah, play rough it is. See how it goes. Ah, I forgot about... Yep, that's gonna... Then the... Flamethrower. Yup. Ah, it's tragic. Gudra kills. Thank you. Weirdness disappears. Draining Kiss. The Gudra. That's all we can do. It was a crit. Nice. Lowers the speed. But that's okay. Here comes the flamethrower. Oh, sludge bomb. That'll probably kill. Oh, no, it didn't. Good stuff. He might protect right here. Nope. Omfe kills Gudra. Speed dropped. And then Talonflame kills Omfe. Good game. Good game. Let's... New Bark United wins game 1. And we are now on to game 2. That psychic terrain was a bitch. But... Let's think. Okay. So, let's lead Purunga, Hinata. Then we'll bring Rengoku and Fox for the attack. Okay. Let's do this. See how this goes. Be sure to put your prediction in for game 2. Tyranitar Maverick. Okay, he's doing the same lead. Let's do damage calc. Dynamax. Special attack. Is that a +2? Tyranitar. Okay. Fight. Dynamax. Max Wormwind to T-Tar. And we will Draining Kiss to Purunga. Because he's going to set off the Tailwind. Okay. His music kind of got me a little tense. Oh, he max guarded. Shit. Shit. Taunt. It's fine. Okay. So there's no ally switch. Okay, that's fine. So let's do Max Wormwind, Tyranitar, and Giga Drain. Cause I can't do that. But I can Giga Drain. Actually, what does more? Yeah, Giga Drain off T-Tar. He probably has weakness policy on this guy, actually. No. So there's the Tailwind. There's the Max Wormwind. Attack fell. Darkness. Nice. Can't heal, but that's okay. So there's what, 2 more turns for taunt? Lightning into this just in case, because he's been annoying. Then we'll try, so I can't ally switch due to taunt, and floral healing is, yep, okay. So let's do Draining Kiss onto... Oh, you know what? Fuck it. We'll Giga Drain again. You know what? No, that's dumb. Actually, we'll Predict the Protect. Worst things that happens is that somebody else has to finish that fight with him. He's below half. Do a Wing Beat. That'll kill. Yep. Talon Flame. Kills Latios. Wow. Hi, buddy. One of the dogs showed up. Goku. This might be a swift one. Go away, buddy. Let's Sucker Punch into Maverick. Draining Kiss the T-Tar. Yep. Hush, buddy. Come here. Gotta lay down. Sucker Punch. Nice. Okay. So now I'm dark. I shook off the taunt. So we're gonna Gunk Shot. No, we should Pyro Ball. Nope. So we will Sucker Punch. Nope, it's not effective. Not effective. Great. Absolutely not what I want to do. Okay. So let's Gunk Shot into Maverick. And Ally. Ally switch or heal myself. You know what? We should heal. That's right. I can't heal myself without attacking. So we will Draining Kiss. Okay. Here comes the withdrawal. So here comes Tapu Lele. Psychic Surge. And now I'm useless. What was that? Talon Flame. So T-Tar's either coming back out. Okay, so there's Gudra. So we'll fight. Gunk Shot into Tapu Lele. Then we're going to Ally Switch Hinata to bait that attack. Because the Psychic Terrain stops me from doing what I wanted to do. Oh, double ally switch. Poison him. Okay. Not bad. Alright, so we got Fox. So let's protect. And Pyro Ball. Or Gunk Shot. Into Lele. Yes. Come on, we gotta hit this Gunk Shot. Fox dropped to protect. Gunk Shot into Lele. Nice. And Goku eats those. Here comes T-Tar. Sandstorm. Or Sandstream. Alright, how many more turns? Psychic Train is 2. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Alright, so now let's do Fiery Wrath. And Gunk Shot. Gudra. Okay. Fiery Wrath. Oh, that did nothing. Rock Slide. Oh, okay. Cinderace. Tyranitar kills Cinderace. Oh. And that is game. Well, thank you everybody for tuning in. That was a really good game. I was hoping Moltres would have lived that sandstorm. But be sure to tune into Soju Popsicle's Twitch stream for his MSBA battle tonight. And be sure to follow the Twitch and head over to my YouTube channel to check out some of the stuff I've got on there. Fenrit over there. All right. Have a good one, everybody.